Okay, hello. This is Goodison Gamer once again with another review. And today I bring you Rastan on the Commodore 64. Okay, so I don't know if this is a Rastafari version of Conan the Barbarian or something. But this game came out in the arcades '87 and was converted over to various systems, like this one, in the same year, Commodore 64. So let's see if we're gonna have some Rastafari game here. Let's speed up the emulation a little bit here, because we have a dark screen here. Alright, here we go. Here I am, Rastafari warrior or Conan, I don't know, it's a blurry mess. Cannot really figure it out, so I have to use my imagination here. But it's a very nice music, is my first impression here. Awesome 8-bit Commodore 64 Supreme music going on here. Here comes bats and shit, and I'm losing energy fast here. Up in my left corner is my energy meter. Now I have a badass axe in my possession, so I'm gonna use it to cut the head off of evil enemies, perhaps. Hopefully. It's a little slow, but it's not a major issue. Shit. Look. I'm losing energy so fast just by being touched by some enemy. So, up is jump, and there, I just put my toe in the water and I died a horrifying death. So it's very picky, it seems. So that's not very fair to lose energy that fast, in my opinion. And I do a crazy double jump there. Don't know why, but I play with my Xbox One controller and fuck! Duck. What the hell is that four-armed bastard? Fuck! I touched the water once again. And I died immediately. It seems that the water is more lethal than the enemies. Perhaps it's acid water or something. Should try to get over here now. Okay, stay there and relax. Jump and relax. Jump. Fuck. Why is it so picky? Just dipping my toe in and I die a horrible death immediately. So damn picky. This is the beginning of level 1. It's crazy. Jump. Yes. I made it, but I lost health. Shit. I have not learned the movement so good yet, but I can jump and attack from above if I do it right. And I can also jump and attack enemies above me, like that. It's a little hard to explain, but... So I don't know how many lives I have actually, I think... let's figure it out. This ROM file came with sheets and shit, but I selected no on everything, so I don't have any unlimited health or continuous weapons or everything here. I don't like that. Just play it as it is. How do I get up there? There you go. It was. And here it seems to be a leap of faith down here. There you go. Now I attacked him there. So I think I can go down there as well, because I might find weapons down there, such as take my chances. Perhaps I can find something down here. Shit, an enemy with 4 arms I found there. The green swamp monster. No weapons down here. So it looks like I cannot get off the rope. I have to, when I want to, I have to like climb to the top, and I will get off immediately. A little bit strange. Shit, I need. Why can't I find energy? Piss off. So now I can drop down there, or go. I think I should try to drop down there actually. Continue. Oh, that's nice that I don't have to start from the beginning. That's very generous. Oh no, stop throwing shit at me. I don't know what's beneath me, but should I try here? Go down here? Here I died last. Ah, there is a badass. Axe again. Cool. So far it's alright. I mean, it can be frustrating when you lose health so fast. And it's pretty impossible to find health, it seems. I have not found anything, I think. But this music is awesome actually. So I have never tried the arcade version of this game. I don't think so. So if there is any viewers who knows about this game, please comment down in the comment section. Oops, what was that? Come on. Shit. I'm dying here. Again. Now I got some suit there. Okay. Some. Another suit, but I want health. There, come on. Yes, a little health. Oh, that was not much to talk about actually. So, more lethal water here. Can we get past it here? Fuck. Yes, we could. Ha, I am improving a little bit here. Jump. Oh, I made it again. Oh, more health. Now we're talking. Oh, what was that? Some diamond or something. Emerald. Oh, come on, can I attack him? There you go. Now I have learned the attack patterns as well. Or my attack patterns. Can I go down here? Ooh, look at that. Is it a maze or something? Or what is it called? I mean, my weapon here. Oh, cool. Do a lot. I can do a lot of damage with this big mama here. Come on, there you go. I must say, I'm thinking this game is kind of cool actually. It has its problems, of course. Oh, come on, that was not fair. Let's try again here. I'm liking this weapon actually. It's very cool. Come on here. Get up there, you stupid. There you go. But I'm losing health so fast. We are getting somewhere. But we are still in level 1, but it seems that it's a new stage in level 1 or something. Little bit of change in music here. Oh, what the hell is happening? Get up there. Ugh. Why is it so hard to get off there? There you go. But I'm just dropping down in the hands of enemies. That is fucking shit, actually. So how do I get off this rope? I'm just dropping down there. That is shit, actually. Why is it so hard in that section? It was so easy. Shit. There you go. Wow, I made it. What a success. Could need some more badass weapon, actually. Can I find something? Another... Come on, get up there. Why is it so hard to get off this rope? There you go. I don't know what the hell am I doing wrong, actually. So this game came out on various systems, on like the Sega Master System, which I will review at some point. I think it came out on Commodore Amiga as well. Now grab that stupid rope. There you go. Shit, here comes the bats and shit. Look at that, that is sums up the game, actually. I was attacked by 3 bats and 2 enemies and I died immediately. No, do I have to get through this bullshit again? I have to go through all this bullshit again. Man, for fuck's sake. There you go. I don't know what the hell am I doing right, actually. So now I will die again and end up there. Probably die in the same spot this time and do this bullshit once again. Grab the rope, stupid. Grab the rope. This is... Come on, grab the rope. That is very, very frustrating, this part. There you go. I don't know how the hell am I doing it. Looks like random. I could need some health. Another stupid rope. Wow, I did it again. What the hell happened here? I pushed another button and I ended up... I don't know what the fuck happened there. I pushed X button and I ended up somewhere else. I don't know what's happened here, but never mind. That was Rastan on the Commodore 64. It's a kind of cool game, actually, but I don't know what happened there last. Now I'm transported into some other region. I'm in level 2 now. How the hell did that happen? But never mind. I don't want to do any cheats here, so I'm gonna wrap it up here. Yeah, Conan. No, it's not Conan. It's the Rastafari Conan. It's a cool game, but it can be frustrating when it comes to controls. It can be picky, finicky. I can die immediately when I dip my toe into a water, but I can manage to hold out against enemies. That's a strange logic, actually. Music awesome, graphics alright. So I'm gonna give this game 6 out of 10. It needs a little bit of practice in order to master it, but once you master it, I think this can be pretty fun actually. So there you go, 6 out of 10 for Rastaman on the Commodore 64. So see you around. Like always, take care of yourself and have a good one. Goodbye.